This is a XEOLEO Hand coffee grinder. Sorry about that. And well, I guess you can have a look at it right now. It's in the box. I've used it already, but well, I thought you guys wanted to see how it comes. It comes with instructions. The instructions are, of course, in Chinese and in English. This is the Chinese version of the instructions. This is the English version. In the English version, we have for filter coffee 15 to 24 points. Now that's what we're gonna do here with grinder filter coffee. We're going to use a XEOLEO V60. Let's get that out of the way, and we're gonna try this little fellow. I'll just show you in detail the way it looks. As you can see, it's all metal. There are some grounds there. I gotta be honest, I haven't even used the brush to clean this. I just blow some air on it and that's about it. Now let's get it in. I suppose we can say let's get 20. Let's get 20. So I'm gonna get it back to 0. You know, it's just like this. This is 0, right? Okay, I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's do 20. I'm sure I can. Well, this is not a Comandante, but it is. It's got ball bearings, as you can see, so it should provide a pretty. It should provide a pretty. Oh, this is the bottom of the thingy there, you know. It should provide a pretty consistent grind. Now, let's get our business going. I suppose you want to have a look at coffee making with this thing, so I'm going to give you a demonstration with it. But first, we have scale set there. We're going to use 14 grams of coffee. Now, this is not specialty coffee. This is like the regular stuff. This is 0. It's not a very precise. Okay, that's 14 grams there. This is my first video, so give me a bit of a break here. Well, now I'm going to put the beans in the grinder. As you can see, 15 grams sort of tops it all. Now, I'll put it here. And I'm going to grind those 15 grams. that's done. Is there anything left? No, it's all done. Okay, so I'll set this here. Meantime, I'm going to wet the filter. Kettle's already boiling. There we go. This is done. So now, kettle's been boiling. Let's zero in the. I want you fellas to have a complete look at the thing. Okay, here's a fellow. This is what we obtained in coffee. Okay, let's do a little evening out. Right, well, this is. That's it. That's pretty good. Put it back in. Leave it there. While we turn the scale on, and we're going to use my Fitbit, I guess, for the time. There we go. Now, we'll boil the kettle again, see how it cools. Okay, sorry about that. Well, this is, I'm swirling it. I'm going to show you in a different angle some of the time. Right, well, okay, this is already. Alright, well, this is a moment of truth. Okay, this is blooming now. I put 30 something water. Given that I had 14 grams of coffee, I'm pretty sure this is good blooming for this. I'll leave it for 40 seconds. As you can see, there are plenty of bubbles there. Right, well, bit over what I intended. Well, as you can see, it's rather bubbly and foamy, I guess. Okay, let's give it another shot. We'll see the message there. Oh, it's ready for the final one. Let's see about now. Okay. Now, if we got the grind size right, this is going to take less than 3 minutes, 30 seconds, draining all. So, let's see how it goes. Okay, I think we nailed it. Yeah. Yeah, looks like we did. That's what we were looking for. Now, let's have a look at that. Yes, this is gonna make a nice cup. Well, one final look at the XEOLEO. I'm not sure you can appreciate how small it is. It's not really big, but it does a job, and it's very, very cheap.